So here's how to auto-cut video into 30-second videos. And by the way, you can click on the link below to try out Opus Clip for free, which is in the description down below. So now once you click on the link, this will be the homepage. And from here, you will have two options. You can either drop a video link over here, or you can just simply upload a file from your computer. So now for this specific video, I'm gonna go use the link feature that they have. And as you can see, this supports multiple platforms over here. So guys, I will be using this video for example. So just simply go ahead and copy the link over here. And after that, just simply paste it over here and click on get free clips. And after that, it will ask us to sign in into an account. So just simply continue with Google or Facebook. And now from here, make sure you have the right speech language. And now guys, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here genre. So guys, make sure to select the right genre of your content. So it will be a motivational speech over here. And now the very important part for this video is the clip length. So guys, make sure it is on 30 seconds only. And now from here down below, you should be able to select multiple presets that are available on Opus Pro. And from here, just simply select what you prefer. And now, let's say I'm going to go for this one. And now, just simply scroll to the top and click on Get Clips in one click over here. And after that, you should be able to see here your video and just simply wait for it to load up. Now guys, once it is done, you can just simply click on it, as you can see. And from here, you should be able to auto cut the video into 30 seconds video, as you can see. And you will have here the title and the content of the video as well. And from here, if you want to edit the clip, you can just simply click on over here, guys, edit clip, and it will redirect you to the editor page. And from here, pretty much you will have options to customize the caption by clicking on the caption on the right side of the screen. And from here, you can select a preset and pretty much you can customize your caption on how it will look in the video. And as you can see, we have the captions over here. And if you want to move it, you can just simply click on it and just move it on the right place. I'm going to go for the center. And now just simply edit the clip based on your preference. And now click on save changes over here. And now guys, if you want to download it, you can just simply go ahead and click on download HD. But since it is still rendering from the changes that we did, we cannot download it. But if you do, you should be able to click on over here. It will automatically download into your PC or desktop. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.